Hello everyone! Are you confused by to be verbs? It's okay. Let's learn how to use to be verbs correctly by watching this interesting story. In our story, there are 3 kids. Their names are am, is, and are. Am is a very shy kid. As for is and are, they are very friendly and outgoing kids. They are feeling bored and unhappy as they wanted to have new friends that they may have fun and play together. After a while, they decided to go and search for new friends. Few hours later, Am came with an only one friend, as he is a very shy kid. This new friend is called I. As for is, she gained many new friends because she is a very friendly person. These friends are called he, she, and it. As for are, he gained a lot of friends as he is very friendly too. His friends' names are we, you, and they. Now, am, is, and are so happy as they are enjoying their time and playing with their new friends. And they lived happily ever after.
Verb to be. To be verbs are, am, is, and are. They are used to describe or to tell us the condition of people, things, places, and ideas. To put the sentence in the present form using the verb to be, we have to start with the subject pronoun plus verb to be plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I am happy. Here, I started the sentence with the subject pronoun I, followed by verb to be am, and the rest of the sentence happy. In the simple present tense, verb to be is conjugated as follows. If we take a look over this table, we can find that we have 2 forms of the verb to be. We can write it in a full form or a contracted or a short form.
Like I am, you are, he or she or it is, we are, and they are.
As for the short form or the contracted form, we can find that we omitted the first letter in the verb to be and added apostrophe instead of it, like I'm, you are, it's, we are, and so on. Let's have some examples. He is a teacher. I am Chinese. They are at the movie. The interrogative form or the question form of verb to be. In the interrogative form, we start the question with the verb to be followed by the subject pronoun, like am I, are you, is he, or is she, or is it, are we, are you, are they? Let's have some examples. Are we friends now? Is it your dog? The negative forms of the verb to be. In the negative form, we add not after the verb to be. Like, I am not, you are not, we are not, she is not, and so on. As for the contracted form or the short form, we can find that it's different than the full form. For example, I am not, you aren't, we aren't, she isn't, and so on. For example, she's not at school. It isn't my book.
Let's have one more exercise.
Is Brad Pitt French? No, he isn't. He's American. What about Angelina Jolie? Is she American too? Yes, she is. She is American. Are Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie French? No, they aren't. They are American. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.
Don't forget to answer the activities in the description box to check your understanding. لا تنسى الإجابة على الأنشطة في صندوق الوصف للتحقق من فهمك.